Guys, welcome back to our channel. Subscribe if you're new, smash that like button and comment down below. Today we're going to be making slime. Mason, you're supposed to look at them. Today we're going to be making slime, you guys.
We have lotion, we have
Alright, you guys, we're
water,
going to show you how
and we have glue.
We're doing the slime challenge. Josh was the judge.
Josh was the judge.
Whoever slime is the best,
whoever
stickiest, slimiest slime will win the challenge. Who will win? Put in the comments down below of who do you think will win.
And the winner will get the mystery box. We made a mystery box. The birds will open the cap, the whole thing. We open the whole thing because that.
Right. First we need glue.
My turn. We need glue.
That's enough. All right, you guys, I'm doing well. So I'm doing
water. Okay, good. Wow.
And we need lotion.
Just a little bit.
Then we have to stir it all together.
Do we need a spoon?
I will go get a spoon. We have to stir it all together now. Do you have lotion?
No.
Alright.
It's gonna be so slimy. I think
I have a feeling you were supposed to add something.
Activator. Liquid starch. Let me touch it.
It's starting to come together.
Yeah. I have to keep mixing.
I think we need more. I think we need more glue or something. Alright, Mason.
We need more glue. We need glue. Let's take the whole thing. We need glue.
Alright, that's enough. That's enough, man.
We need all. We need all for me. We need all for
Stop.
me. We need all for me. This way I will win.
What?
I need to win. I need to win.
That's cheating, you guys.
Guys, I'm gonna touch it.
Right.
It kind of feels like slime.
I'm going to add some coloring to it.
But
I think
I need coloring. I want coloring too. Guys,
I just have to keep doing that.
Guys, can you give me one marker? That's gonna give me a marker.
What color do you want?
I want red. Do you have red?
Oh, good.
Is it
That's not red. That's not red. That's
But we have
black.
black.
But you should do orange then.
Orange.
Add some coloring. Now I think you have to stir it all together now. Oh, there's a spoon.
Wow, it kind of looks like slime.
Alright, I'm gonna start stirring. Oh, we forgot to add lotion. More lotion.
Who's that one? Who's that one? They won it.
No one. It was Joshua.
The best slime ever.
Yeah. This is the obviously this is the best one because I haven't made slime. Wow, it kind of
Starting to feel like slime.
yeah. It's about to touch yours.
Milky slime.
Yeah. Look at mine. Mine was pretty good. Not too bad. Not too good. Not bad. I need glue. I need more glue. It doesn't feel good. Now does it?
No, because today we're making a milky type of slime.
Okay.
If there are such things as milky slime that's like cream, then this would have been milky slime because it's starting to look creamy.
It's my turn. My turn. My
A
turn.
few more stirrings, Mason. Oh, the stirring.
So how much steering you have to do? How much? How
It
much?
starts to come together. And right now, it's starting to feel like it's coming together. All right, here you go. Whoa. This actually feels kind of slime.
doing good. Guys, can you help me do it good? Am I doing it good?
Yeah, you're doing good, Mason.
Thank you. Guys, and guys, this video is sponsored by Elmer's.
It's sponsored by what?
Elmer's.
Oh yeah, this video is sponsored by Elmer's, guys. Let's give it a big hand to Elmer's for
Wow,
making such great glue for making slime and arts and crafts.
George,
Let's give them a clap. Make sure you guys saw our Baldi video we made yesterday.
and
And our Hello Neighbor gameplay.
guys, so guys, is mine good?
What about the shaving cream?
I don't think we need it.
We do.
Okay.
According to how to make slime, you need shaving cream. No shaving cream is not going to be slime.
It can. Is that good? And now can I touch it? Is it good?
Touch it a little bit. Touch it a little bit.
If it feels good, then they can keep touching it.
I think we have to let it dry. I mean, you don't technically make slime from it. There's gotta be something like foam around here.
We need foam. Guys, it kind of feels like slime.
Yeah, you guys, it's actually starting to feel like slime.
Yeah.
Ew.
It was better if we put it flush. It was better if we put it
More lotion, I guess.
more lotion. We need more. We need more lotion. Lotion is the powerful thing in the world.
To make slime,
Yeah.
you need lotion. You might need lotion.
We need lotion.
I think we're running out. 'Cause I'm off.
Okay. I think that's enough.
Oh man, your slime almost fell.
Yeah, if that fell, then we have to clean that up.
And I'm not really looking forward to cleaning anything up today, guys.
Yeah. If that happens, we're gonna be really mad at ourselves, right?
Yep. We have no one to blame but ourselves.
Yeah. Okay,
Alright, you
I need
guys,
spoon.
we will be right back.
I need my spoon as well. Wow! Wow, this looks cool. Guys, Mattel, look at my slime. He's making slime. Come on. Look at these slimes. But do not, but you're look at the slime, but don't touch it. Don't touch it.
You
Don't
guys-
touch it.
you guys
Don't
have
touch it. Guys, you have to get out of the video. Or you're supposed to be sponsored. You are Elmer's. Your name is Elmer's. This is a guy sponsored by Elmer's. So there is George's sister, Elmer's. So let's give her a clap. Yes. One more ingredient. Yay!
Shaving cream.
You have shaving cream?
I mean, it's kind of had it.
Good. I'm going to put.
Alright. You guys, we had it this whole time, but we didn't.
We will have to mix it a lot, and so if you mix it a lot, it's going to look even more brighter. Wow! I think we need more. But I need a spoon now.
Wait, can I see? Can I see the shaving cream?
Yep.
It says thin hair, so it's the shape. It's that shaving shape. It's shaving cream. Yeah, you might be right.
Yeah.
Alright, now let's add a little bit.
But I need the spoon as well. I need a spoon as well.
Who's that baby? We might need more water.
Look at mine, dude. Mine looks so good.
I think
I need more shaving cream.
I don't.
Yes, I
That's
do.
enough, Nathan. If anything, you need more water.
Yeah, we need more water.
My dad that's enough.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah.
Because too much water made it milkier, right?
Yeah, and
Alright, let's
it's just like activator. It's just like activator. If you put in too much activator, it's gonna turn out the same thing if you put on too much water, right? It's gonna turn on the same thing. If you just put one bottle of, if you just put just a tiny bottle of water, it's gonna turn out the same thing with activator, right? Wow. 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 What's slime? Wow. Wow. Wow.
This
George.
is a good arts and crafts to help kids.
And guys, this is really popular, so I think we're gonna have a lot of likes.
You guys, let's try to get to 2,000 likes for this video. 2,000
Yeah.
likes. I'm just kidding. And let's try to get as more subscribers as possible. This year in 2020, let's try to hit 50,000 subscribers.
Yeah. And I we're really doing it. Gonna twist your head off. Cool. Cool.
I'm gonna die.
Yes, I'm gonna die. Well, if why? I need a spoon.
Inside history, we wish to
I
stand.
need a spoon.
Could have just used this
Scholars
whole
wish to
time.
stand on the right side of history.
Oh,
And in the light.
It's okay.
it's
The
just
richest
splatter.
family in
Oh, good remainings.
It's less. That is exactly what slime is meant for. To make mess.
What's activator?
We don't need activator. Water is activator.
Water is kind of like activator because activator is a liquid.
And each
Yeah. And water is liquid.
may not be as rich
A drink is liquid.
as most people think.
A drink is liquid. Any drink is liquid. Guys, subscribe or a black widow is going to be on your
Just an
bed.
account of our work.
Yep.
Our enemy.
So you better subscribe. And we need like 200 likes.
No, we need 1,000 likes for this video. 1,000 likes, alright, guys?
We need it because this is popular. So we need a lot of likes. And
I might add some more.
wow, I need
Bluish. I need more bluish.
Can I borrow your bluish? Like I can just use my orange. Where's my orange? Come on, I want to get my orange.
So add some color to mine, Mason.
Okay, I'm just gonna find.
It will be decided.
Is this the orange? George, is
Yes.
this the okay?
Until then, gentlemen, you must both remain our guests.
Guys, this video is so fun. You guys, this video, you guys can try this at home. All you need to do is just go step by step. So whatever we do, you find it and do it. Wow, I need
Somebody has betrayed us. I'll deal with that when we get to the
I need
I'm
some
not going to
glue.
myself. You can be sure.
I need more glue. Wow.
If we can discredit him somehow, we'll have Ferranti turn his back on
I
him.
got in the fire.
We made milky slime.
Milky.
That is like a lot.
Oh my gosh. What me? Mine might be better. Mine might be
What do you
better.
mean? Yours might be better.
Yeah,
Everyone knows it's obvious. I'm going to win. Put it in the comments down below. Of who do you think will win? Me or this nice?
I need more shaving cream. We're gonna make our own slime, so we can put as many things inside it. But
They say
What do you mean? You don't need that much shaving cream.
I do. It's gonna look cool.
balance is the
People put that much shaving cream in their slime. People do. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Fine.
Oh my gosh!
What is that?
I'm making slime.
What?
Slime. Alright. You just need to stir it all up and it will be done.
Guys,
Who
look
did
at
this? And
mine.
then you close it.
The 50,000 cards.
honestly, this is so cool.
Oh, make sure you clean up. We better clean. We
Yeah.
have to clean up when we're done.
Yeah, because
Oh,
we
make sure you don't get on the carpet because
because on the carpet
slime
is
is
gonna
very
be
hard to get. It's very. All you need is apple vinegar. Yeah, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and spoon, and water.
Oh, you guys keep running in the house. Look at this thing. I'm gonna fix the thing one more.
All right.
Mine looks really slimy. Slime.
Well, yours is going to be the tip.
slime home. I can take my slime home?
Yeah.
Thank you. Is that true, George?
Yeah, you can take yours home.
Okay. Hi, guys. Okay.
Bye.
Okay, guys. But do not leave. Or we're still making this slime video. And guys, comment down below. And
Comment down below for another video for our gaming channel.
And guys, if Joshua doesn't decide if both of our slimes look really cool and then he cannot decide if it's a tie, you guys comment down below who wins. If Joshua thinks it's a tie, right, George?
Yeah, Joshua thinks it's a tie. Put it in the comments down below. Who do you think is a winner at the end of this video? So stay in tune, guys.
Yeah, stay in tune. Definitely stay in tune.
Wow.
Good morning. Slime. If it gets on the carpet, it's gonna be really hard, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be really hard, but luckily I know how to get slime off of it.
Yeah. I need glue as well. I need glue. I need more water. I need water.
It's a what? I'm just kidding. I didn't put anything on that water. That water spread no water from our water.
Look at mine. This is Joshua. So which one looks the coolest so far?
Alright, you guys. So right
Mine
now,
or George's?
we're trying our
I
best.
put in too much
to
shaving
make
cream,
slime.
so mine doesn't look that good. But it's your decision. So which one looks good so far? We're not finished. We're not finished. But
Whose looks good so far?
I need more shaving cream. I need more.
No, you don't.
I need it. Yay, that's enough.
Hey, and it grows bigger.
Yeah, but that's the best part.
Alright.
I need. Yours is full of shaving cream.
I want to make my own slime.
Okay, go get your bowl and find glue. And you can use our shaving cream and lotion.
Alright, you guys, I'm back. This is doing really good.
Yeah, this thing is really good. I think we're gonna have a lot of likes. I think 1,000 is good. Is good. Not 900. We just want 900 or the 1,000, right? Right, George? Oh my God, you're really.
just want 100 likes. We just need to get. It feels so milky. It feels like that soap you just find.
Yeah. It feels like a slope.
It feels like that soap that just comes out of dispensers. And it kind of smells like it too. Guys, put it back. Put it in there.
This slime looks so cool.
It's so milky.
Oh my God.
We made milky slime, guys.
Guys, so comment down below which
Because you put lotion in order to make milky slime.
Yeah.
If we didn't put lotion, then it would have just been regular slime, but we put lotion.
Oh my God.
It's milky.
Oh my gosh.
So milky. It feels
Oh
like
my
cream.
gosh. I
Guys,
need
our
more
news is
shaving.
better.
We're gonna
Touch it. That touches Mason's. Wait, let me try yours, Mason's. Yours is milky as just like mine. I like Mason's better.
I like George better.
What?
I like George better.
So I'm the judge, not you. How do you like Mason's better? What is wrong?
Yours is a little bit too liquidy.
No, Mason's is liquidy. You see, everybody's is liquidies.
Let's do it again. Mason's. It's
You guys put in the comments down below of who is the true winner. All right, you guys.
No. We said if Joshua thinks is a tie.
Oh yeah, Joshua.
So technically, I'm the actual winner.
Yay, slime.
No,
It's milky.
Yep.
All right.
No, you're not the judge.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Slime. But Bo had to clean.
Mine is not too liquidy. Mason's is liquidy.
Both of ours are liquidy. I need
the same thing. Then it's the same thing. So, all right, you guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time.